Yes, good evening, guys. So today, the first kind of site we'll be looking at or we'll be working on is creating a blog. Creating a blog. Now, what is a blog? A blog is any content where you can find info. Sorry, a blog is any web space or website that posts content, that posts information where you can find accessible information online. A blog can be, we have different kind of blogs. We have news blog, that's a blog that posts about news, at news, what's happening around, a particular country or worldwide. We have fashion blog, a blogs that talk about fashion. We have entertainment. We have like different blogs. And again, there's one thing I want you guys to understand. There's something they call niche. Now, what is a niche? What is a niche? Because you can't tell me you have a blog or you want to be a blogger and you don't know what they call niche. Now, it's called a niche is actually a specific area or a specific area you want to write about, or you want your blog to be evolved around. Now, we have different kind of niche. We have entertainment niche, we have music niche, we have fashion niche, we have food niche. Whatever whatever sorry whatever whatever topic or whatever field you want your blog to be evolved around, to be enshrined with, that is your niche. And for example, now if you check example like for a site like Ninja Loaded. Now, a site like Ninja Loaded, the niche of Ninja Loaded is music niche. They post all music content, both foreign, Nigerian music, African music. You can't see a site like Ninja Loaded posting how to fry, how to bake cake. No, that is not their niche. Their niche is strictly for music. They only post musical content. So that is just their own niche. So the same way for you to be a blogger, the first thing you have to do is identify your niche. What do you want to write about? What are you passionate about? What is that thing that you can easily, once you take that your pen, you can easily write? So you identify the niche you want to go into, so it can help you in writing, so you don't go astray, so you don't write things outside the niche. Because once you have a niche, it will be easier for you to be able to draft out or map out content or topics to write about. So like I said, today we're talking about blog. So yes, the first thing first, I'm going to log in the admin WordPress dashboard, or the admin WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to show you today how to post content, because blogging has to do with content, more of content. As a blogger, more of content, because the essence of it being a blog is the fact that you have information, you have articles that you're posting that people are likely going to read about. So I'm going to log in the admin dashboard now. So I show you few things on that is actually related to blogging. So let me log in this admin dashboard. Which site should I use? Okay, let me use this one. I don't know why this site. Let me use this other one. Okay. So I'm going to log in now. So I'm going to be showing you how to post content, how you can post content, everything you need to understand about posting content, because you, as a blogger, it is more of content. So I'm going to be showing you categories, how to create a category, how to add page, and then how to post. So now these are the three things we'll be looking at today. How to add a category. What are categories? Categories are are actually topics. Now, for example, now you have a blog. Now let's assume now you have a blog that talks about, or the niche for your blog is entertainment. Now, under entertainment, there are various categories that fall under other entertainment. Music can be seen as an entertainment. Music can be seen as an entertainment. Comedy can be an entertainment. So you can actually have categories that fall under maybe music, a category for music, a category for comedy, a category for sports, or whatever thing that falls under this thing are called categories. So I'll be showing you how to create a category, how to create a page, and then how to post content. So yes, first of all, let's check on how to post content, how you can post content on your WordPress site. So once you log in the admin dashboard, as usual, this is how it looks like. You click on posts, you click on add new posts. But if you want to see all your posts, click on all posts. But let's assume now it's your first time, so you want to add new posts. So you click on add new posts. Then now this is exactly the layout. So okay. So now this very first column is where you add the title of your post. That is your title, the title of your post. Now let's assume that the title of my post is how to travel to Canada without Now this is it. Now this is the title of my post: how to travel to Canada without visa. Now this is where you put the body of your content. Now this is where you put all the grammar you want to speak, all the content, the body of your content. This is where you put it. Maybe to travel with Canada, just whatever you want to post. This is where you put the body of your content. The body, you explain everything here. Then you scroll down. Now I've not created any category. So now let's assume now this category is falling under okay, let me create a category. Let's assume that this category is falling under okay, let's assume it's falling under immigration. Okay, let me just add a category called immigration. Add new category. Now you can see I've just created one category. So now I want this post now to fall under immigration, in the sense that once anybody click on immigration, on the immigration icon, on the front end, they're going to see all the posts that I've written that are relating to immigration. So that's the essence of category. It's actually have a way of modifying and bringing up all the topics you've written. It's just once you click on that category, or once anybody click on that category, it brings up all the topics that you've actually posted relating to that category. So let's assume now I'm choosing immigration category, immigration. Then you just, all these are tags. Maybe you have tags. Now what are tags? For example, if I'm writing about how to travel to Canada without visa. Now if you want to add a tag to it, poly tags are mostly used for the sake of SEO. It actually have a way of improving your SEO. That's one of the things you do to optimize your site, or to optimize your content. So let's assume now I want the tag to be the tag can just be hashtag immigration comma Canada comma IELTS. If you know what they call IELTS, IELTS is actually a program that actually makes you that you can take in, or that you can enroll for, that gives you opportunity to travel to Canada without visa. So your tag should be something relating to what you're posting, your content. So that is, if you want to add tags, it is not compulsory, it is optional. But if you want to add tags, the tags most times are used for for SEO, to optimize your content, this content. So let's assume now I've added my tag, and then you click on add. You can see I've added the tag. After adding tag, you click on add. Then now it is time for you to add featured image. Now, what is called featured image? Featured image is actually the image that will show outside, that is after your headline on the front end. After your headline, your featured image is the image that is relating to what you're posting. Now, if I want to add a featured image for this particular post, I can decide to add maybe a picture of a passport, or anything that is related to travel, anything that relates or that resonates with traveling. So I can decide to add maybe a Nigerian passport, any passport, or a Canada passport, that anything that is relating to traveling. That is what you are going to add as featured image. But I don't think I have anything like that on my gallery, so I might just add anything as featured image. So let's assume now I want to add this one as featured image. You click on it, it's going to load. So you see set as featured image. It's still loading. So set as featured image. So you can see. So now let's assume now I'm done with the content. Now, if you have an image, any image you want to add inside your post, now you can see add image. You can see this image, add image. Let's assume I want to add image inside this post. Now you can come here and choose whatever image you want to add, and then you add them. You click on insert to post. It's still loading. Insert into post. Now you can see that this image has actually been inserted. So if I want to continue, you can just, so whatever image you want to add, this is where you add image. Yes, all these are just now this is actually to make your post bold. This B. Now let's assume now I want this to be bold. I want this thing to be bold. So just click on this B to make it bold. You click on it, you can see it's now bold. It's now kind of bold and different from this one. Now if you want your content, maybe a part of your content to be colored, maybe you want it to be colored, you just click on this icon, and then you can choose any color you want to use. Let me show you something. You can see it has changed. Let me change it to yellow. You can see it has changed. So the same way you can decide to choose any color you want. Why this one is to underline. Maybe you have something you want to write, and then you want to underline it. Now you can see 100. You can see. So that is how it is being done. So these are the important features. Why this one is for a quote. Maybe you want to add a quote. This is it. You want it in a quote format. So this is actually an external link. If you want to add an external link, so this is basically. So now let me publish this post so you can see. Let me publish this post. So click on publish. Publish the post. You can see post published. View post. Let me view the post. So this is just basically the thing I posted now. You can see the hashtag I did. So this is just basically how to post content. So yes, so now let me show you how to create pages. Now you want to create different pages. Maybe you have pages you want to create. For you to create a new page, you just come to your menu icon, then you see pages, click on add new page. Then you are going to type the name of your page. If it's fashion, whatever, then you put the content here. You put the content of your page. Then after putting the content, you can just come here and publish the page. So yes, that is just basically how to create page. You can create as many pages as you want. Why for you to create a category, you come on post, under post you see categories. So you can see add new category. You add the name of your category, whatever, entertainment, then you can just leave this slug or type entertainment as slug too. Then parent category, no, let's say none. Then description, you can leave description, but if you have a description, you can put the description. Maybe this is actually a category that features all entertainment posts on our website or on our blog. So whatever description you feel you want to add, you can add it. And then you click on add new category, and automatically your category will be created. You can see the category I just created. It's now appearing on this list. So that is basically how to create a post, how to create a page, and then how to create a categories. Thank you.